Good morning, my people. This is Auntie B. I am here before you again. In our last class, we talked about introduction to chemistry. But so that the class will not just be about theory part, I want us to also familiarize ourselves with the apparatus, the laboratory part of the subject of chemistry. So this morning we'll be talking about laboratory apparatus with their uses. I want to show you few laboratory apparatus and tell you their uses. Let's start from beaker. This is beaker. You can see me holding it. This is beaker. Now this beaker is used to measure liquid in the laboratory during practical. This is your reagent bottle. Yes, it has a cover and it is used to store chemical in liquid form. And this is your conical flask. You can see it's different from your beaker. This is beaker and this is conical flask. This conical flask is used to hold and measure chemical in liquid form. That is the chemical in liquid form that we make use in the laboratory, like your acid, like your base. This is used to hold and measure them. This is volumetric flask. Yes, it has a cover and it is used to keep different type of acid for some period of time. This is our drop bottle. This is our drop bottle. And what you are seeing inside is indicator. Let's see, orange is the name of the indicator. The indicator is used during titration. So this is the drop bottle. You remove it, and whenever you want to drop the liquid inside, you drop it. So that is how to use this. Now, this is test tube rack. This is test tube rack, and it is used to keep our test tube safe, for keeping our test tube. And this is test tube on its own. This test tube is used for many scientific experiments. We can use this test tube to make some samples, and you can use this test tube to burn using the Bunsen burner. Then after that, we have pipettes. This is our pipette, and this pipette is used to pick small amount of liquid, and basically we use this test tube for picking base. So this is pipette. This is pipette, and this is our burette. This is burette. It is used during titration practical, and this is where we put our acid. We put acid here, and before we put our acid, we need to attach it to this apparatus. When we get there, I'm going to tell you the name of this apparatus. We attach it to this apparatus before we can able to drop the acid there and start our titration. This is triple stand. It is used during burning. We make use of this triple stand when we want to burn some chemical. Let me say when we want to apply it to some chemical. This is measuring cylinder, and it is used to measure various liquids during laboratory practical. And this is litmus paper. This is litmus paper. This is blue litmus paper. And you can see this is what it looks like. This is blue litmus paper. And blue litmus paper is used to test for acidity. To check for acidity. When you dip blue litmus paper into an acid, it's going to change the blue color to red. Let's check that. This is an alkalic acid. So let me dip the blue litmus paper into it. Can you see? It has turned to red. So it helps us to know that this solution, this unknown solution, is an acid. Then we have red litmus paper also. That red litmus paper is used to show for base. It's used to test for base. So when you dip red litmus paper into a base, it's going to change the color from red to blue. And this is Richter stand. This is Richter stand. Yes, this Richter stand is used to support other equipment and laboratory apparatus or laboratory glassware, like burette. Yes, like burette. This is funnel. This is funnel, and the funnel is used to transfer acid or base. It is used to transfer acid or base. Okay, this is our steering rod. When we are conducting an experiment, we use this to steer it to achieve homogeneity. That is, so that the color of the solution can go round. Do you understand that? And this is our Bunsen burner. This is the Bunsen burner. We eat, or let me say flame used to come out from this Bunsen burner. We put the triple stand on it, then put our wire gauze and start applying it, start eating whatever thing we want to eat on it. So my people, this is the end of our class today, and I'm very sure that you enjoyed the class. Thank you for the view, the likes and the comments. Please do not forget to help us to share this post so that other people can also see and come and benefit from the tutorial. Don't forget my name. My name is Auntie P again, and I'm your online chemistry